Welcome to another video. In today's video, I am so excited because I'm making these custom soap dispensers. Let's go. So it's all going to start off with this mold that I have. This is a square one. I also got a round one, and it comes in two parts, the mold and the lid bit. Well, not the lid, but the upper bit. And I have gone ahead and mixed up some of my J Addiction Officials resin. You can find discount codes in the description below. And for this one, I think I want to keep it quite simple. I just want like an elegant look. So I'm going for some gold leaf, and I'm going to mix some of that, and I want that to be on the top portion of this dispenser and on the lid bit. So gold leaf mixed into resin, just clear resin going in. And I'm going to leave this to kind of semi-cure, just for it to thicken, so when I pour the next layer on, it doesn't all mix up, because I do want the gold leaf to kind of stand out. So be back in a couple of hours.
2 hours later.
Okay, so it's been a couple of hours. My gold layer is now tacky but not completely cured, and I can go ahead and pour the rest of my resin in the mold, and I'm just going for an opaque black. Like I said, I just wanted this to be not very busy but elegant at the same time, and yeah, literally can't go wrong with black and gold. And that is me just putting on my signature on top, and again, it's an optional step, but well, not the top, the bottom. And we're going to leave this to cure.
2 days later.
So it is 2 days after. I am now ready to unmold this. I'm going to start with the top portion first, and happy with how that's looking. And now it's time to unmold the actual holder, and I can already tell this is going to be tricky to unmold. So I did kind of loosen it from the edges a little bit, and then I did go in and spray some isopropyl alcohol along the sides of the mold, and then I was able to sort of loosen the entire thing and get it out. So it does come out, but you have to be just a little bit patient with this one. And there it is. Now we need to fix the top portion with the base, and you could quite easily use UV resin for this purpose. I decided to just stick with regular resin, and what I'm doing is just applying a tiny amount, like a really thin layer, onto the base of the top, like so. And then I'm going to place it onto the holder, and I'm going to use my clamp to kind of push it down and get them to stick. So basically I'm just using epoxy resin as glue, but like I said, you could quite easily go ahead and use some UV resin, put it under the lamp, and I imagine that would be a lot quicker. I just chose to do it this way, and yeah, so I just clamp it, leave it there to cure, and we are done. And I am ready to show you what these look like. What I did forget to tell you is that the actual dispenser, like the pump, did come with the mold. So I did get a couple of gold ones and a few silver ones, and that's just me screwing them on, and this is the reveal. So this is a complete set for a bathroom. So there's a tray, there's a little tea light holder, and there's this really gorgeous shell trinket tray, bowl, whatever you can call it, and the dispenser. Absolutely love what this looks like. And I also went ahead and made a sort of malachite inspired version of this. So if you are interested in purchasing any of my products, or you want to have something custom made for you, you can reach out to me via my Instagram or my website. Everything is in the description below. And I am in love with how these turned out. Do let me know in the comments which one do you like better, the malachite one or the black and gold one. And don't forget to like, comment, sub, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!